This is how I make 50K in 2 days. There is no physical way that a brand that has never been known will just suddenly wake up one morning, go online, start posting pictures or videos of their brand, and people will start coming to buy. All right, business 101. Let me take you back to school. Now, what's the main reason for starting a business? To make profits. How do we get those profits? Through sales. Now, how do we get those sales? Through customers. How do we get the customers? Through adverts. And that is the purpose of today's video. Today, we are going to be looking at how different adverts will work. And for today's one, I'm trying the least, like the minimum that WhatsApp has to offer. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. And let's start this video. Honestly, I have watched so many videos. I have gone on conferences and seminars and all that kind of stuff about advertising. Oh my goodness, everyone's what? About advertising. And to be honest, when I see videos that make $1 million in 10 days, make this is how I make 50K in 2 days. I'm like, oh, baby girl, and they don't add any sort of how do I put it? They don't usually tell how they actually got that 50K. Because we all know it. Let me tell you now, if you do not know that, let me tell you now. There is no physical way that a brand that has never been known will just suddenly wake up one morning, go online, start posting pictures or videos of their brand, and people will start coming to buy. Which economy is it happening in? Which states? Tell me, let me move there quickly. No, you have to do adverts because nobody in the market knows you. No consumer will ever buy from someone that they don't know. Talk more of you that just instantly came on the internet, started selling things. And why I'm basically using the internet because I run an online business for now. Hopefully, by God's grace, it's going to get bigger and expand. Yeah. So I run an online business, so I kind of understand that advertising is a very, very crucial part in business because if you don't advertise, nobody knows you, and if nobody knows you, nobody will buy from you. It's as simple as that. Now, I think right now, as of when I last checked, um, you can place adverts on WhatsApp for as low as 1.7. Well, due to inflation, it increased because the last time, like around last year, it was still 1.2, 1.3. You get, but the standard, the one that WhatsApp recommends, is 2.8. Now, let's say I don't have 2.8 to spend. That what I have is 1.7. Can add that, so we're only going to be advertising for one day with 1.7. Oh no, I think I should make it 2 days with 1,700 naira. So 1,700 naira times two. You guys do the math. Yeah, that's what this whole video is going to be about. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please help a brand in need. You guys have been saying small business owners support small business owners. Do it now. This is your opportunity. Subscribe and like the video. And if you have any other um video recommendations, like what you guys want me to do, please put it down in the comment section. I would love to see that because I haven't posted in a while.
God damn!
I haven't posted in a while, so I would really love recommendations on what to do next because of I was caught up with everything like school, life, my business. So I just put um recording and filming aside. Yeah. So let's get into the video. So the app that I'm using is WhatsApp Business, which I find the best for any brand actually. And yeah, I've already done adverts on this app before. That's why I can see the conversations. So this is the video I'm going to be using for the ad. And I forgot to also say, when you're running adverts, you should use like either a video or a picture that shows everything that you're selling. So by this video now, anybody that comes across it knows that, oh, I am selling wigs, lace wigs, and luxury hair and human hair, to be precise. Now for the description, because I wouldn't want to leave it blank, I've already typed something, so I'm just going to paste it on the screen. Luxury hairs without the luxury prices. Shop your wigs with at affordable prices from the best. So I think that description is okay. I've already fixed up like a bunch of locations where I feel like my customers will majorly come from, and like the tags, like wigs, lace wigs, the age bracket I feel like my audience should be, and the gender, females, because I only sell female wigs. All right, so the next phase, as I said earlier, the recommended price for WhatsApp is 2.8, but we're going to be using the list, which is 1.7, and we're going to be running it just for 1 day. Though you can go as far as 1 million, 1.5 million naira, but we don't have that kind of money. You can also do 15, you can do 7, you can do 2. But as I said, it's just 1.7 that we're going to be doing for just 1 day. To find out how good WhatsApp is at adverts. All right. I don't know why my data is doing me like this, but we move. So we are on the last page, and this is where you can fund your account if you don't have. Because I literally just have 9 naira here, and I need to fund the account so I can be able to run the adverts. Now they've already put in the price there, like what I need to add to be able to complete the money. So I'll just quickly fund it and I'll come back. All right. So I have funded it, funded the account, and the transaction was successful. It's going to take me back to the original page. Yeah. So go back to WhatsApp business, and I am back at it again. So yeah, as you can see, the funds are already in the account, so I can now pay and start like the ad. I checking the time. The time is currently 1:44 as of when this ad started. So like I'm going to go back like maybe after 2 or 1 hour interval to check how many clients I've gotten so far using just, I think with the taxes and the VAT, everything was 1.8 or 1.9 estimated. Sha. All right, so I went back to the app. This is currently 3:20, and we haven't had any conversations started so far. We haven't had any messages so far. And I'm beginning to think things, but it's all right. The day hasn't ended yet. I actually got one message from a client, and I was checking to see if it will reflect here, but it didn't. And another thing I also wanted to say is like 100% of my clients came from Facebook. So if you're not advertising on Facebook, you are doing yourself wrong. Now, I came back again by 10 to come and check. Is it 10? Yeah, it's 10. To come and check like the how the ad is doing. I've gotten 3 conversations so far, and it has reached over 8,000 people. And they charge per conversation. So as of now, they are charging 300 naira. But depending on the market and naira, the price will change. So it's currently 12 a.m. the next day, and I'm just going back to check on the ad to see how well it has done. Now, this ad will actually expire by 1:44 today, and I've gotten 5 conversations so far, and it has reached 8,065 people. I've spent 1,351 naira so far out of the 1.8 that I spent. And as you can see, the price per conversation has actually reduced. It's now 253 naira compared to last time. So it's 10 a.m. the next day, and I'm just going back to check on the ad. I didn't go earlier because I had to attend some classes. But yeah, the amount, if you go back a first time school up, the amount per conversation has actually increased. As I said before, the inflation and everything, like trading market and everything, will increase it. So far, it has gotten up to 1,304 people, and it's higher than yesterday's own. So I haven't gotten any new conversations yet. Okay, so the ad has finally ended, and we're just going to see an overall view of everything. We had six conversations started, and it went like a total of 1,494 people saw the ad. I spent overall 1,658 naira out of the 1.8 that I funded. So yeah, I think this is a very good outcome considering we spent 1.7 on an ad. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something, and as you saw, as you have seen, as you saw it, right? I feel like it's a fair game. Six conversations out of like just 1,700 naira could get you six clients. So yeah, I think it's a fair price. I think it's good enough. And honestly, out of the six, it was only like two that actually, did some doings. Though none of them still bought anything. They were still all like, don't worry, I'll get back to you later, or that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's how the ad went. I hope you guys have already subscribed. I really hope you have subscribed. Mhm. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.